All right, welcome back to another moving and grooving workout with me, Alex. And of course, we're doing total body. We're working on our arms, we're working on the back, we're working on our legs, glute, stomach, everything, okay? But before we get started, if you're having problems with the weight loss, please click the link below for my free 8 core juices that I drink almost every day. All right, it's helped me lose weight, it helped me maintain the weight loss. All the above is gonna give you the energy and the motivation that you need. We're gonna go ahead and start this workout. Let me go ahead and start the timer and we're gonna get started. Let's get it. All right, so before we get started, let's go ahead and loosen up the body. We're gonna start with some small circles, all right? We're gonna do forward. All right, and again, at any time in this workout, if you need to stop, take a break, take a deep breath, get some water, please do that, okay? All right, and then you're gonna do some small circles going backwards. All right, just loosening up our arms, our shoulders, our back, just waking up the body. All right, now let's do some nice big circles forward. There you go. All right, keep everything nice, tight, sucked in. All right, and let's do some big circles going backwards. There you go. All right, let's do that again. Some big circles forward. There you go. All right, and let's bring it back. Nice big circles backwards. All right, and let's loosen up the core. Let's do some nice twists, big twists. All right, making sure you're pivoting your foot as you're spinning. All right, take your time, spin slowly, not too fast. All right, let's open up our hips, waking up our glutes. We're gonna do some nice squats, as low as you can go. All right, now let's add a little arm, bringing it out and back down. There you go. You got it. All right, let's do some nice squats as low as you can go. All right. Keep going, push through. There you go. All right, then we're gonna go into a nice lunge. Alternate your lunges. There you go. All right, these are really good to do for your hamstrings and your quads. All right, it's gonna give you that nice toned look in your legs. All right, and we all complain about a little cellulite appearances. This right here will definitely help minimize that as well. So go ahead and add this into your routine. There you go. All right, now we're gonna go back into our squats. Ready? Let's get it. There you go, you got it. All right, you should definitely be feeling this in your thighs. Keep going. All right, now we're just gonna take a nice little break. You're just gonna go side to side. All right, if you need some water, go ahead and get you some water. All right, we got 10 seconds left. All right, in 5, 4, we're gonna go ahead and kick our leg out. We're gonna alternate our legs and touch your toe. There you go. There you go. This right here is targeting our lower abs. So let's go ahead and kick it out. Keep going. All right, now you're gonna bring your knee to your elbow. Ready? All right, let's get it. Still working on those lower abs. Keep going. There you go, you got it. All right, now we're gonna do some nice twists. Back to the center. All right, there you go. All right, keeping your core sucked in, tight as you can, and twist. All right, back to the kicks. There you go. Keep going. You got it. Kick it out. Kick it out. All right, now we're gonna bring our knee to our elbow in 3, 2, let's get it. You got it. Keep going. Don't stop. Unless you need to. All right, nice twist. Back to the center. There you go. All right, we got 3 more. There's 1, 2, last one. 3, good job. Now we're just going side to side. This is the moment if you need to take a break. Go ahead and take a break, get some water, jump right back in. But if you're good, side to side. There you go. All right, we got 10 seconds left. All right, 5, 4. All right, now I'm gonna do some upper body. 3, 2. All right, so you're gonna bring your arms out and in. All right, there you go. Out, in, out. There you go. All right, make sure when you go out, squeeze your back. There you go. All right, so now we're gonna bend, bring them in and out. There you go. In and out. In, out. You got it. Squeeze those back muscles. There you go. All right, and we're gonna start from the top. All right, we're gonna bring them all the way up and back down. All right, all the way up and back down. There you go. Nice, full, keeping your arms straight. All right, going at a nice pace, squeezing your back, your shoulders, all at the same time. There you go. All right, so now we're gonna bring our arms forward and out. There you go. Starting back from the top. There you go. All right, you should definitely start to feel it. I'm feeling it in my shoulders. I'm feeling it in my back, all in my upper body. All right, just keep it nice and tight. Keep going. All right, then we're gonna touch our thigh and back up. There you go. All right, now we're gonna bend our arms and bring them in and out. There you go. Keep pushing, keeping your core tight, keep it sucked in. There you go. All right, now we're gonna bring them out to the side and all the way up, back down. There you go. All right, so now for your favorite, we're gonna go ahead and start doing some things on the floor. All right, go at your own pace. All right, so the first thing that we're gonna do mountain climbers. All right, so we're gonna get down in 3, 2. All right, you're gonna get down slowly. All right, and you're just gonna bring your knee up to your chest and back down. There you go. All right, we're doing some modified mountain climbers. So take your time. All right, in 3, 2. All right, go ahead and stand up slowly. All right, and then we're just gonna go side to side. There you go. Take a nice deep breath in and breathe it out. You You got it. You got it. We're gonna get back down on the floor. Give you a few seconds, get you a little bit of water, and jump back in. We're gonna start in about 15 seconds. All right, we got 10 seconds left. All right, go ahead and get ready. All right, we got 5 seconds. Back on the floor, we're going into our modified mountain climbers. Ready? Let's get it. You got it. Keep going, keep pushing. You're almost there. All right, 5 seconds left. All right, stand up slowly. There you go. Now we got mountain climber standing. All right, bringing your knee up and reach high as you can at the same time. Keep going, push through. There you go, speed it up just a little bit. There you go. You got it. All right, now we're gonna put our hands behind our head, bringing the leg out, touching our elbow. There you go. You got it. Keep going. All right, now we got standing mountain climbers again in 3, 2, let's go. Bringing that leg up. I know it's tight from all those squats, but fight through it. Bring that knee up as high as you can. There you go. All right, so now I'm going back, bringing our hands behind our head and tap. There you go. There you go, you got it. All right, now I'm gonna do some nice lunges from side to side and stand right in the middle. There you go. You got it. And we almost finished. We're almost done. Keep pushing through. Push through. Nice deep lunge if you can. Do what you can, all right? Always remember at any moment, if you need to stop, take a break, do so. Just make sure you jump back in. All right, so now you're gonna bring your legs in, slight bend. You're just gonna bring your leg out. All right, just get those hips nice and tight. There you go. All right, keep it going. After this, we're going back into our deep lunges. All right, in 3, 2, all right, let's go. In the middle, side to side, there you go. Keep going, don't stop, push through. All right, we're going back to the nice low squat, bringing your leg out. There you go, alternating each leg, keep going. There you go, you got it, all right? So now we're just doing our side to side. This is the moment. Go ahead and get you some water. Take some nice deep breath. And we're gonna keep on going. We almost done, but we're not finished yet. All right, keep going. Side to side. All right, now we're gonna bring our leg up and we're just gonna touch our heel. There you go. Speed it up just a little bit. There you go. There you go, keep going, keep going. Push through. All right, now it's time just to do our little sexy dance before we end. All right, we're gonna cha-cha it out. There you go. You got it. We can't do workout without the cha-cha. Y'all already know. Keep it going. All right, the fit and fine without wasting time dance. Keep going. All right, in 5 seconds, we're gonna bring that leg back up, touch our heel in 3, 2, let's get it. There you go. You got it. Keep going. Don't stop. There you go. All right, now we're gonna just stand and we're just gonna do some calf raises. All right, there you go. Nice, big stand, keeping everything tight, keeping your core tight. You just on your toes. You should start to feel it in your calves. Keep going. There you go. All right, I'm gonna do a nice little jog. All right, we're just gonna start at a steady pace. All right. All right, and then we're gonna speed it up in 5, 4, 3, 2, let's go. Speed it up. There you go. You got it. We're running from it. It's time to start running from all the stress and the drama before we start our day, or if you're just ending your day, whatever you're doing, just make sure you're running from all the stress, the drama, the tension. All right, we're running from it. Keep going. All right, now just simply bring your knee up and down. There you go. There you go. Keep going. All right, take a break if you need to. In a few seconds, we're gonna start back jogging. So let's get ready. We got 10 seconds. Bring that knee up as high as you can. 10 seconds. All right, let's start with our jog. All right, just a light jog. There you go, you got it. You got it. You're the only one that can make it happen. So keep going, don't stop, stay consistent, all right? Let's go ahead and speed it up. Let's go. Let's get it. We almost there. We're almost there. All right, nice calf raises. There you go. Look at you, we already at the end of this workout. You did an amazing job, as usual. All right, let's go ahead, side to side. And again, if you are having problems with the weight loss, what I did was juice, and it helped me tremendously. Practically saved my life. I still juice it to this day. So go ahead and click the link below. I have 8 core juices, all the recipes for free. All you need is a juicer and all the ingredients, and just stay consistent with it, okay? You'll definitely see the work, the progress that I went through. You just gotta start, that's it. And thank you for being consistent with me and joining me in this workout, and I'll see you again on the next workout. Peace.